My name is Eric. I recently renovated my condo and installed a high-end smart mirror above the bathroom sink. It was equipped with a built-in camera for facial recognition, automatically pulling up my personal profile whenever I stood in front of the glass. Last night at 2 a.m., I woke up parched. I stumbled out of bed and walked into the dark bathroom to grab a glass of water from the tap. As I stepped onto the cold tile, the smart mirror automatically sensed my presence. The transparent digital screen behind the glass whirred to life, casting a bright, sterile white glow across the small room. The facial recognition camera clicked twice, trying to verify my identity in the dim light. I looked at my reflection in the glass. My hair was disheveled, my eyes heavy with sleep. But as I watched the screen, the data overlay began to malfunction. The green digital tracking lines didn't trace over my face. Instead, they appeared on the screen about 6 inches behind the reflection of my left shoulder. The system text updated. Multiple profiles detected. Loading user 2. I froze, the glass of water stopping halfway to my mouth. I stared intensely at the reflection of the empty, dark hallway visible through the open bathroom door behind me. The corridor was completely vacant. There was nobody standing there. I looked back at the digital text on the mirror. The interface violently flickered, the white font turning a dark, bruised purple. The system began to stream a diagnostic video feed from the mirror's internal camera, displayed in a small picture-in-picture box in the lower corner of the glass. The camera feed wasn't looking out at me. It was looking out from inside the mirror. In the small digital box, I saw the reverse angle of my bathroom. I saw my back as I stood at the sink. But the camera feed showed something that the physical glass reflection was hiding. Standing right behind me, its long, skeletal arms wrapped loosely around my neck like a grotesque scarf, was a creature. It was impossibly tall, its body a mass of exposed muscle tissue and dark, wet veins. Its head was pressed flat against the back of my skull, its unhinged jaw wide open, its long black tongue lightly licking the hairs on the nape of my neck. In the video box, I watched the monster slowly raise its eyes to look directly into the mirror's camera lens. A new text notification typed out across the center of the main mirror screen, replacing my calendar entries. User 2 profile loaded. The tenant in the glass. Syncing physical motor controls. Please stand still while the overwrite completes. At that exact microsecond, I felt a freezing, ice-cold sensation slam into the back of my spine. My actual muscles violently locked up, my fingers losing all strength as the glass of water shattered against the porcelain sink. I couldn't move my arms. I couldn't turn my head. On the mirror, I watched my own reflection slowly raise its hands, entirely independent of my own will, and press its palms flat against the inside of the glass, while the monster behind me began to push its body forward into my skin. Double tap if your chest just tightened. Share with a friend who loves modern horror, and hit that follow button right now so you never miss another midnight nightmare.